At the Casselman Medical Centre, there are 3,000 people on a waiting list for a family doctor.
It is getting to a dire situation. We have a huge waiting list of patients who do not have access to primary care.
Office Administrator Jennifer Arenas has been desperately trying to recruit doctors for years as the situation worsens.
We could easily accommodate another 3 physicians and get these patients being seen.
But one of the major challenges, Casselman doesn't score high enough on something called the Rurality Index for Ontario, which would unlock up to $120,000 in grants for doctors.
It's an incentive for them to go to rural locations. So it helps offset their costs of relocating, it helps offset their costs of education. So it's definitely an incentive to set up a practice.
There are up to 4,000 people in Casselman alone, 30 minutes outside of Ottawa. The mayor says more than half don't have a doctor.
It's very stressful for them, with an aging population that don't necessarily drive, accessing clinicians outside of the community, having to drive on the highway to get to Ottawa to busy Ottawa locations is very stressful.
Geneviève Lajoie has appealed to the government as the situation continues to worsen.
We've asked for some sort of pilot project or some special subsidy program for Casselman, and the response was the answer is no until it's yes.
Meantime, at the medical centre, they are not accepting new patients until they get more doctors, and people on the list will have to wait. Natalie Van Rooy, CTV News.